Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Cadillac key battery easy guide. Start by locating the seam on your key fob, use a small flat tool to gently pry it open, and expose the internal battery compartment so you can replace the cells safely. Work on a soft surface, keep small parts organized, confirm the new battery orientation, and press the case closed until it snaps into place. Most Cadillac key fobs use a CR2032 battery, but always check your fob label to confirm. Compare new cell voltage against the old one and avoid batteries with old manufacturing dates to prevent premature failure. Keep spare batteries in a sealed pack stored at room temperature and recycle the old cell properly. This simple check can save you a trip to a dealer and ensure reliable keyless entry. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It pairs well for hands-free controls and can add a bit of convenience while you work on your car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If replacing the battery doesn't fix your fob, start by inspecting and cleaning the contact points with a lint-free cloth or a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Reprogramming can be required for some models, so keep your owner's manual handy or note the dealer steps. Finally, test every button and remote start function before closing the case to ensure everything works and avoid repeated disassembly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.